Hi, I'm Miracle Mike from Handicap Life with more fishing, cooking, and water gun fighting, etc. to share with you. Let's do this. Oysters right there.
I love oyster.
I don't know. eBay. Cheap. This one here. Let's go. Bent and bad. The operation soon. It's twisted. All twisted. Got one. Yeah. Oh. Got it. Look at that. Nice catch. Maybe 14-inch, maybe? Yeah.
Good job, Mike.
Good job. Chopper. And a little garlic chopper. And fit right here. And that's it. Let's try it out. I like this.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's this is like this one here, and then crush it, whatever, or this one here, boom, and it's there, hold that.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Real nice.
Yep.
Good. Yeah, that's a good buy, Mike.
Yep. I like it. No bell pepper. I forgot it. Onions, garlic, beef, teaspoon sugar, black pepper, more garlic powder, a lot, oregano, parsley, basil, rosemary, my garden, thyme, and sage. Sausage. Love. Try it out. This was. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe nothing. I don't know. But.
Michael, you got this. Yeah, Michael, that'll do just fine, bro.
Lots of oil.
There we go.
I just felt.
Love this. Maybe a quarter paste. Oh yeah. And more cheese again,
Knock it out. Hell yeah, put more on there. Hell yeah.
Breakfast time. Good potatoes, yum yum. No more propane. Cardboard. Al dente, maybe. A little bit cooked, less. More Parmesan cheese. Oh my god. Delicious.
How you doing? Hey. There's a lot going on. It's okay. Come on, stay.
Baked potatoes.
Fish hook there, jump, Mike.
Little turtle.
What's TurtleBeach? Ow!
I got the turtle. I hooked it, the shell. Swim.
Not a fishy.
reload. There he goes, Zoe. Yeah. See him flip away? I want to shoot him. Okay. Was he fast?
Good job.
To sum up this weekend at Turtle Beach with Handicap Life, Miracle Mike, it's been banging.
Fight on. Reload. All right then, heading out.
Sum up this weekend at Turtle Beach with Mike from Handicap Life, Shane from Camp Life Characters,